Hello, and welcome back to day 7 of our 10-day English speaking challenge. You are doing an amazing job. Today we will practice talking about plans, dreams, and the future. Do not worry about difficult grammar. Keep your sentences short. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Let's begin. Today is a new day. I have new plans. I have new goals. I want to learn more. I want to grow. I want to improve my English. My future is important to me. I think about my goals, but I also take action today. Small steps can create big changes. Now let's practice talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow I will wake up early. I will start my day with a smile. I will drink some water. I will eat a good breakfast. I will do my work. I will make time for English. I will listen to English. I will repeat new sentences. I will learn new words. I will practice speaking. I will not give up. Now let's talk about your dreams. I have a dream. My dream is important to me. I want to build a better future. I want to learn useful skills. I want to become more confident. I want to speak English well. Maybe my dream feels far away. That is okay. I can move forward slowly. I do not need to do everything today. I only need to take the next step. I want to travel someday. I want to meet new people. I want to understand different cultures. I want to have new experiences. I want to speak English with confidence. Let's practice some useful future sentences. I will try again tomorrow. I will keep learning. I will work on my goals. I will use my time well. I will believe in myself. I will stay positive. Now let's practice a short conversation. What are your plans for the future? I want to improve myself. That sounds great. What will you do? I will practice every day. Will it be easy? Maybe not, but I will keep going. That is the right attitude. Success takes time. Learning takes time. Confidence takes time. You do not need to rush. You only need to continue. Now repeat these sentences with me. My future is full of possibilities. I can create good habits today. I can learn something new every day. I can get better step by step. I believe in my dreams. I believe in my future. I will keep moving forward. Let's do one final practice. I have a goal. I have a dream. I have a plan. I will take small steps. I will learn from mistakes. I will stay focused. I will not give up. Every day is a new chance. Every small step matters. Your progress may be slow, but slow progress is still progress. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Excellent work. You have completed day 7. Today, remember this. Your future starts with what you do today. Practice a little. Learn a little. Speak a little. Then do it again tomorrow. Be proud of your progress. Trust yourself. Keep going. I will see you tomorrow for day 8 of our 10-day English speaking challenge. Until then, keep practicing English and keep believing in yourself.